Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with the Boxycharm for November 2018. I was disappointed again in this box because there was something I wanted that I didn't get. From the last month's box, I wanted the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, but I ended up getting a Briogeo hair treatment, and I don't use those. I always put them in giveaways, so I was disappointed in that. In this month, I wanted the brush cleaner, but I didn't get that either, so oh well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this month's box. There were some really good things in here, but again, there were a couple disappointments for me personally. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the November 2018 Boxycharm. Okay, here is the card that it comes with. And then you have some lovely influencers in there, and the theme is Gold Digger. And then here are the products that we're gonna go ahead and get into reviewing. Let's go ahead and start with the product that I'm least excited about, which are these lashes. I don't wear false lashes. Get them in Boxycharm all the time. They end up in giveaways. I have a few that will be coming up in giveaways here shortly. But these are from Lashaholic. They're Luxe Lashes. They're very pretty, but again, I do not wear them. The packaging is beautiful, going along with the theme for Gold Digger, and then the style is Instagram. These retail for $14.99. So I would have rather had the brush cleaner because I can use that way more than I could use these lashes. We received this Cnutbutrbeauty Glittering Star Eyeliner. This retails for $5. It's a black liner with gold glitter in it. Sorry, I have some swatches there. It has gold glitter in it. It seems pretty firm but soft at the same time. So we'll try it out. I have a couple other things from Cnutbutrbeauty that we've gotten. Lip liners that I've used, but they are really hard. Their lip liners are really hard. And I have one of their eyeliners, which is really nice. It's a blue. It's really nice. But this is what we got from Cnutbutrbeauty, their Glittering Star Eyeliner. We got these Luxie brushes. This is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. You get 4 brushes. And these retail for $21, and of course we have the gold handles. First we have the Luxie Mini Round. This would be great for precise crease work, precise outer corner work, smudging, things of that nature. It is a little, it's not as dense as some of my other brushes like this that I have from e.l.f. It's a little bit more flimsy, but this will be great for smudging, again for precise crease work. We have the mini flat angled brush. Same concept, it's just a little bit angled and it's a little bit more fluffy. It's not dense. This would be for precise work as well. Then the mini angled brush. This would be great for, buffing out your crease color, or putting in your transition color or whatnot. These would be great little travel brushes, and they're not too big, not too small. And then you have the mini tapered brush, which could also be for buffing out the lower lash line, the crease, what you may need. And again, all of these are very flimsy. They're not very dense, but these will probably go into an upcoming giveaway, so look out for that. We'll have one coming soon for Christmas. It'll have quite a few things in it. We'll have one for this channel, which is our new beauty channel, and then we'll also have one on our other channel as well. So stay tuned to those. Make sure you are subscribed and on both channels so that you are notified when those giveaways come about. But this is a Luxie Luminous Eye Set that we received for November. Next we have this Cover FX glitter drops, and this is in Nova Pretty Gold. I would probably mix this in with my foundation because this is straight up glitter. You only need a little bit. Comes in a nice glass bottle with a dropper. You only need a tiny bit of this. I'm gonna put that small amount there. And it's just straight glitter, gold glitter. Matches my nail, but it's just gold glitter. It's very glittery. It'd be nice to put this in your foundation for a little bit of luminosity, a little glitter for the holidays. I've seen people try to put this on after they do their makeup as a highlight, and it's just too glittery for that. This would be great as a topper for eyeshadow or something like that. But I would not put this straight over your powder after you know, do all your makeup and then try to put it on top. I wouldn't do that because I've seen so many people do it and it's just straight up glitter. It's not a sheen. It doesn't look wet. It looks like you got glitter on your face. So, but we got this from Cover FX, which is nice, and it's a full size, and it retails for $44, and this will last you for a long time. Lastly, we received this Ace Beauty palette. This is their Grandiose palette. Beautiful packaging. This is the outer cover. Absolutely stunning. And I've seen Ace Beauty, a few people reviewing their palettes, and they are so pretty. They had a nice little collection that came out with 4 palettes. I think they were 12 shadows or something in there, and they looked really nice. And I thought about getting the colorful one, so I was really glad to see that this came in the Boxycharm. It's, again, beautiful packaging. It's cardboard. This would be a nice travel palette. It's very small. On the inside there's no mirror, but look at this. It's beautiful. That's such beautiful detailing. And then you have these nice fall colors. You can wear these all the way into spring, and they're all like scents, I should say, like jasmine, clove, is that myrtle? Myrtle, cinnamon, primrose, poppy, rose, and patchouli. And I will put a swatch of them here. Very nice. Can't wait to use them. Very soft and buttery. The mattes seem really nice. Again, I've seen tutorials using Ace Beauty, and it looks really nice. So I was very, very, very happy to get this. So let me know if you got this. Well, I think everybody got it, but if you've used it, how you like it, if it worked for you, how the mattes blended, you know, let me know all the details. But I will probably be looking into getting more things from Ace Beauty. They're more of an indie brand. And this retails for $24.99, which isn't bad. And again, it's a nice size. It's nice and thin. You can use this as, you know, a travel palette. This would be really nice for that, especially now for the holidays. But we got this beautiful palette that I'm very excited that we received. These are the items that I got in my November 2018 Boxycharm. Again, not happy about the lashes. Those will go in a giveaway. So if you like those, again, make sure you are subscribed to both of our YouTube channels and also our Instagram to see if you can win those. And also the brushes will go into that giveaway as well. Let me know if you got the brush cleaner versus the lashes, or if you got something different. But thanks for watching. Thanks for those who are supporting both of our channels. Again, this is our new beauty channel. We'd like to see more subscribers if possible, more followers. Help us out. Any videos you'd like for us to see, tutorials, hauls, reviews, things of that nature, we will do our best to try to accommodate. But thanks so much for watching. We do appreciate your support. Have a wonderful holiday. Be safe. Don't eat too much. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.